When you're gluing these flaps to the wing, make sure that you're not using too much glue. They need to move very, very easily. Now, when you're gluing this TPU connection piece from the inboard to the outboard flap, you're only going to glue it to the inboard flap. Majority of this piece will slide into the outboard flap, and then this will be freely move in and out as the flap moves up and down. For the electronics, I use two 1S 4 amp ESCs, and then I get this female BT 2.0 connector and use servo connectors to connect them all together. So that way the battery is powering both ESCs and the receiver. When you're building this, you need to build it the same way I'm doing it here so you can access all these soldering points. You're going to solder one ESC to one of the wings, do a directional check, make sure the propeller is spinning the correct direction. So we're set up at counter rotating props. We'll feed it through the center section of the fuselage, glue the one wing to the fuselage, and then we'll go ahead and feed the ESC through the fuselage to the other wing, and then we'll solder that wing to the ESC, and then make sure you do a directional check on that other wing before you glue this on. These flaps are set up as flap rounds. When the flaps are in the up position, one side will move down, and when the flaps are set at 1, then they'll move like normal flap rounds. One side will go up, one side will go down. This is set up in your controller under the differential setting. All right, guys, we got the 3D printed 777. This is, I think, like number 3 or 4 that I've done. First couple crashed into the walls. I haven't been flying for a while, and I had a couple issues with it, and just kept bringing it back, redesigning. Had to do a lot of work on the nacelles to make these work correctly. A little bit of work on the CG. I did change up and put differential thrust on this one. So in order to do that, I did have to just split the signal wire from the two ESCs. So I actually put a 6-channel receiver in there. So we have differential thrust now. So right here with the heavier receiver, a bigger battery, we're at 68 grams ready to fly. We're actually gonna let Mike fly this time. I flew it the first couple times, crashed in the wall. He had it flying successfully the last time we flew it. So after this flight, I did take it home and did a couple more modifications to it. I thought the CG needed to be moved back, which was a big mistake. I put magnets in the tail, and this is what happened.
Yeah, now it's too tail heavy.
Yeah.
I put magnets in the tail right here, so I'm just cutting these out. Get the CG back. This is the part of the hobby that I really do enjoy, just prototyping, testing all this stuff out. I did bring replacement noses, so we're gonna glue a new nose on the front of this and move the battery forward and try it again. All right, try it again. All right.
Oh, I forgot a differential because that's full bank.
Dang, okay, there we go.
Yeah, differential works.
Differential's working?
That's full differential right there.
Oh, okay. So is it better to fly it with differential or with the ailerons?
I'm actually kind of doing both.
Yeah?
So we'll do a circle just differential. Look at it. I mean, it really
Whoa, really? It drops the wing that much?
Yeah,
Holy
so you
cow.
actually got to counter rotate it.
Wow.
Or counter it.
Because it's dropping the wing that much.
That surprises me. Plenty of power.
Plenty of power now. Where do you at? Yeah, you're at 50%, just chilling. Yeah. Wow.
I think the CG is really good.
Okay. The CG's, so definitely.
Maybe if it goes back, not more than a half inch. Whoa.
Whoa.
Stop,
Wow.
Stop!
Grease. So differential thrust, you can do, take off on the ground, which is pretty cool. Mike figured that out. There you go. That CG is way better.
Way better.
Holy cow. How's it trim on that now?
Good.
Yeah, good. Okay.
Good. Real good.
Yeah.
I can actually get level flight out of it now.
Yeah. That looks pretty cool.
That's really cool.
Holy cow.
You can hardly hear it though with the rest of the camera.
Yeah. Yeah. That looks sweet. And if you don't want to put a 6-channel receiver in it, you just put the 4-channel receiver in there and then just bank and yank and it's fine.
Yeah, tell you the truth, I keep forgetting about the differential.
Oh, really? You're just flying aileron? Okay. So yeah, I think it cost me like 2 grams to put that bigger receiver in there. So I think if I just save the weight, go back to a 4-channel.
Well, it flies really good.
Yeah.
It flies as well as half my little indoor stuff. So, I mean, scale indoor stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, that's sweet.
All right, we'll see if we can get it down here.
If I went from here to about
Taxi back to the gate.
Dude, that's sweet.
Just spin around.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. Thank you, Mike, for flying that. Appreciate it. And we'll see you guys in the next build.
Maybe flying the other way.
Whoa! Oh, nice!
Oh, no.
No, you're good, you're good. That was sweet. I thought it was already too far forward, so I was like trying to move the battery back a little bit, but once you... Yeah, keep going, you're doing it. It's like, wow.